Stitch the Season 2025 is coming up. The videos will start posting on Friday, November 15th. Now this is an online workshop where I teach you how to make a fabric book inspired by Christmas. We'll use fabrics and ribbons and maybe some other things you might not expect to put in your fabric book. Pretty much anything you can think of that you can stitch down, you can add in. I have a lot of fun with this book. It uses the slow stitching process where we create something just for the process of enjoying it. It's soothing, it's beautiful, and at the end of the series, you have a handmade book that you can treasure for years to come. I've done this workshop for years, and each year it gets a little bit better, but I love looking back and seeing all my progress. I like to use Christmas fabric with text and words, and I couldn't always find that in the fabric store. Sometimes I get lucky, and I do, and I collect it, but I don't have enough with Christmas sayings, so I created my own. If you're interested in that, I'll have a link to my Etsy shop where you can download some phrases, as well as like the class syllabus, little instructions. And there's a bonus list of different phrases that are more religious based. Completely optional if you want to use it. I just print these out onto some printable fabric, and then I cut them up and use them in my work, and I'll show you that throughout the course of this workshop. It adds a little personal touch. I like to work with fabric books. I think they're beautiful. I love the feel of them, and creating them is a very rewarding process. You see your progress each day. So I hope you'll join me on November 15th, where videos will be released every other day on my channel until the workshop is complete. And we have a Facebook group where you can join and post your work to other sewing artists. I hope to see you soon.